What do you do in the morning?
I take a shower and get ready for work.
Where do you live now?
I live in a small city near the hills.
What food do you like the most?
I like rice and chicken curry the most.
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekends watching movies and relaxing.
What time do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep at 11 o'clock at night.
What does he do after work?
He goes to the gym after work.
Where does she study English?
She studies English at a language center.
How do they spend their free time?
They spend their free time playing games and chatting.
What kind of music does he enjoy?
He enjoys listening to classical music.
Why does she learn English every day?
She learns English to improve her communication skills.
What does your friend like to eat for breakfast?
My friend likes to eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
Where does your teacher live?
My teacher lives near the main market.
What kind of job do they want in the future?
They want office jobs with good salaries.
How does your brother travel to school?
My brother travels to school by bus.
What subject does your sister like most?
My sister likes English the most.
What games do children play in the evening?
Children play cricket and hide and seek in the evening.
Where does your uncle work?
My uncle works in a private company.
What kind of food does your mother cook best?
My mother cooks biryani best.
How does your father spend his Sundays?
My father spends his Sundays reading newspapers.
What time do students reach school?
Students reach school at 7 o'clock in the morning.
What kind of phone do you use?
I use a smartphone with a good camera.
Where do people buy clothes in your city?
People buy clothes from big shopping malls.
How do you keep yourself healthy?
I keep myself healthy by walking every morning.
What does your friend do on weekends?
My friend visits his relatives on weekends.
Where do your parents like to go for shopping?
My parents like to go to the nearby supermarket.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read storybooks and motivational books.
How does she spend her holidays?
She spends her holidays with her family.
What kind of clothes do people wear in winter?
People wear jackets and sweaters in winter.
Where do birds make their nests?
Birds make their nests on tall trees.
What language do they speak at home?
They speak Urdu and English at home.
How does your friend learn new words?
My friend learns new words by reading stories.
What kind of job does your cousin have?
My cousin works as a teacher.
Where do people go for a picnic?
People go to the park for a picnic.
How do you spend your evenings?
I spend my evenings walking and talking with friends.
What kind of weather do you like?
I like cool and cloudy weather.
Where does your friend study?
My friend studies at a famous university.
What kind of lessons do you learn from life?
I learn to be patient and kind from life.
How does your sister spend her free time?
My sister spends her free time painting.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and adventure movies.
Where do they spend their holidays?
They spend their holidays at the beach.
How does he practice English speaking?
He practices English by talking with friends.
What does your teacher tell you in class?
My teacher tells me to speak English confidently.
Where does your brother play cricket?
My brother plays cricket in the ground near our house.
What kind of music does she like?
She likes slow and romantic music.
How do people celebrate birthdays?
People celebrate birthdays with cake and gifts.
What does your father do in the morning?
My father reads the newspaper in the morning.
Where do you go for a walk?
I go for a walk in the nearby park.
How does your friend travel to the office?
My friend travels to the office by bike.
What kind of sports do you play?
I play football and badminton.
Where does your cousin live?
My cousin lives in Karachi.
How do they study English grammar?
They study grammar by watching online videos.
What kind of food do you like at night?
I like light food like soup or salad at night.
What does your mother do in the afternoon?
My mother takes rest in the afternoon.
Where do students go after school?
Students go to tuition classes after school.
How do people travel in your country?
People travel by bus, train, and car.
What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
I like to wear comfortable clothes.
What does your friend do in his free time?
My friend listens to songs in his free time.
Where do your relatives live?
My relatives live in another city.
How does your teacher start the class?
My teacher starts the class with a greeting.
What kind of drinks do people like in summer?
People like cold drinks and juices in summer.
What time do you usually take lunch?
I usually take lunch at 2 o'clock.
How does your friend learn pronunciation?
My friend learns pronunciation by listening to native speakers.
What kind of TV shows do you watch?
I watch travel and cooking shows.
Where does your family go on weekends?
My family goes to the park on weekends.
How do you help your parents at home?
I help my parents by cleaning the house.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do jogging and stretching every morning.
What time do you reach your class?
I reach my class at 9 o'clock.
Where does she buy vegetables?
She buys vegetables from the market.
How do they celebrate New Year?
They celebrate New Year with parties and fireworks.
What kind of car does your father drive?
My father drives a white car.
Where do people go swimming?
People go swimming in pools or rivers.
What does your teacher write on the board?
My teacher writes new words on the board.
How does your friend prepare for exams?
My friend prepares by revising all lessons.
What kind of food do you cook at home?
I cook rice, curry, and noodles at home.
Where do children play games?
Children play games in the park.
How do you practice English daily?
I practice English by talking to myself.
What kind of books does he read?
He reads adventure and travel books.
Where does your sister go shopping?
My sister goes shopping at the mall.
How do your friends spend weekends?
My friends spend weekends watching movies.
What kind of movies do they watch?
They watch comedy and drama movies.
What time do you start your work?
I start my work at 8 o'clock.
Where does your friend live now?
My friend lives in Islamabad.
How do people spend holidays in your country?
People spend holidays visiting family and friends.
What kind of fruits do you like?
I like mangoes and apples.
Where does he go in the evening?
He goes to the gym in the evening.
How does your teacher check homework?
My teacher checks homework carefully.